How to unlock multi-guest on TikTok Live. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device and click on the plus button at the bottom, which will lead you to this page. In here, beside post, click on live at the bottom. After you click on live at the bottom, you'll find this kind of screen. Click on go live. After you click on go live, you will find this kind of screen. At the bottom left corner of your screen, you'll find guest. Click on guests. Then click on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen in here. Then turn on allow requests from viewers. Make sure the circle is on the right side. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to unlock multi-guest on TikTok Live. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.